Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am excited to share with you legal information of your channel and I hope you enjoy watching my videos as much as I enjoy making them. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you enjoy what you see, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's get started. Today, my topic is equality and human rights. Article 1 of UDHR, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, free and equal. All human beings are born free and equal and should be treated the same way. As you know, all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reason and conscience and should act towards one another in a spirit of brotherhood. The phrase all human beings are born free and equal is a fundamental principle that underpins human rights and is enshrined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights UDHR. It means that every person, regardless of their race, gender, religion, nationality, or any other characteristic, should be treated with the same level of respect and dignity. The idea of being born free implies that no one should be born into slavery, servitude, or any other form or forced labor. Every person has a right to live their life according to their own wishes and desires, as long as they do not infringe on the rights of the others. This includes the rights to pursue one's own career, education, and other interests without being hindered by discrimination or unfair treatment. The phrase born equal means that all people are entitled to the same basic rights and opportunities regardless of their circumstances at birth. This includes the right to equal access to education, healthcare, and employment opportunities regardless of their gender, ethnicity, or social status. It also means that no one should be discriminated against based on their physical or mental abilities or any other characteristic that is beyond their control. The second part of the phrase, in dignity and rights, reinforces the idea that all people should be treated with the respect and that their basic human rights should be protected. These rights include the right to life, liberty, and security of person, freedom of speech and expression, and freedom from torture and slavery, among others. The phrase endowed with reasons and conscience highlights the idea that human rights are capable of rational thought and have a moral sense that guides their behavior. This implies that people should act in this way, that you are just and fair, and that they should respect the rights of others. Finally, the phrase should act towards one another in a spirit of brotherhood encourages people to treat each other with kindness and compassion and to work together towards common goals. It implies that we are all part of the same human family and that we should strive to create a world where everyone can live in peace and prosperity. Thank you for stopping by. See you in the next video.